very funny. That one person that crosses the road while it's green and we still have to wait. That little man. Fancy. Taking the camera to someone who is old.
Someone who's racist.
Here. Someone who's racist, have the camera.
Thank you.
Okay, historical lesson. There's a church over there. I don't know if you can see. There's a park over here. And there's Monks. And there's Jasper. And then there's me. And we're going to fencing. There's the sword. So that Monks and Jasper can fight to the death. It's just fun, but kind of tiring. Is this what it's like to be a vlogger? Have to hold a little stick.
Hold a little stick. All my homies
Hate the commies. I'm going to a couple laps. Feel free to do whatever you want.
I'm already dead from walking.
Do we look like we need to run
Then
laps?
you show like that.
Bro is running laps.
Does it look like I'm gonna run?
Does it look like we're Usain Bolt?
Exactly. That is using Bolt there.
One. You guys can try this one? As it what? Jumping at the backward, and your hands over. That's it, yeah, try again. Get this work. Try to put it. You wanna go first or what? Alright. Now it's like the priority goes into it. Unless you're much faster, it's better than target wins. Okay, that's long point for me. Ready?
On guard. Ready, go.
Stop. Stop. Go, attack. No. Handshake, shake hands with the hand without the, so glove. Like that. Okay.
What is looking at these many windows, like, if you look to your right, look above. And you realize you have free there. Like,
May I interest you in a beverage?
beverage. Tea, coffee. Pre-made sauce. Don't tell the Italians. Went to the market, went to a textile shop, a bunch of different shops. So I haven't filmed much today, but we're at the zoo.
Wait, wrong animal.
Literally €1 to get in.
0.3. So they're basically my height.
Basically. understand something, you say "oh" on that bike.
Huh? Like, oh, that.
Like, oh, you mean it like that? And then you say like "oh" on that bike.
On that bike? So like, did you hit anger out? Hi, Saki.
Kitten.
Play.
Piranha.
For internet.
In there.
There's the grass.
Good boy. Oh yeah, he was. He was more green and now he's more brown and
Well,
black.
now it's reddish.
Going like the wall behind him. Good boy.
He's becoming one with the branch.
We can still see you though.
Don't tell him that.
Oh, where are you? Where'd you go?
Oh no, where did he go?
Ja, in the Cisco.
I lost my ID card. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Brian has decided to end the Mox's dance career.